Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can elevate your cooking game, the TFA Dostmann Stainless Steel Meat Thermometer. We found this product online and have included the link in the description below, so you can easily check its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the TFA Dostmann Meat Thermometer? This is an analog thermometer designed specifically for meat, allowing you to achieve perfect doneness every single time. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this device is not only durable but also easy to clean after each use, making it a practical choice for any kitchen. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features. First and foremost, the analog display is a key highlight. It clearly shows the various levels of doneness, from rare to medium to well done, so you can easily gauge how your meat is cooking. This feature is particularly useful for those who might be new to cooking meats and want to ensure they get it just right. The thermometer also monitors the core temperature in Celsius, allowing for precise cooking. It's heat-resistant, which means you can leave it in the oven during the cooking process without worrying about damage. This is especially handy for those longer cooking times when you're preparing a roast or a large piece of meat. So, who is this thermometer suitable for? If you're a home cook, whether a novice or a seasoned chef, this is a fantastic tool to add to your kitchen arsenal. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys grilling or roasting meats, from lamb and beef to chicken and pork. It's also a great option for those who love to prepare classic dishes like steak pies or beef and pork pies, ensuring your meats turn out just the way you like them. In practical terms, the TFA Dostmann Meat Thermometer excels in a variety of cooking scenarios. Whether you're hosting a weekend barbecue or preparing a holiday feast, this thermometer can help you achieve that perfectly cooked roast. Simply insert the probe into the thickest part of the meat, and within minutes, you'll have an accurate reading of the internal temperature. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to confidence in your cooking. In summary, the TFA Dostmann Stainless Steel Meat Thermometer is an excellent investment for anyone serious about cooking meat. Its durable design, easy-to-read display, and heat-resistant capabilities make it a standout choice. If you want to ensure your meals are cooked to perfection every time, this thermometer is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe,